We're not healthy family, my son. Not even the owner of large field. If I have the strength to do it, it's not that I don't want to do it for you. If only your father was by my side, maybe I could afford to send you to school. But before you came into this world, my dear, your birth was no longer awaited. Be patient, my son, lighten your heart. My prayer are with you until your old age. Be patient, my son, lighten your heart. My prayers are with you until your old age. Your father died, leaving nothing, just such a few words for a little time. Pick out, my son, all your sorrow. It is not our destiny to grieve.